So today is Sunday, and the weather is not that good enough because we have a storm signal, and all around the surroundings are wet. But then it's cold, no? The weather is good for coldness, but only the rains is the problem. But then hope you be with us today as you worship our morning. Hindi ka naligo?
Naligo po.
Hindi yan. Ito. Oh, matindi yan.
Not this one.
Nescafe yan.
Capito. Not Korean. This is Korean. I have 2 coffee. Thank you, Jesus. First time.
Nagpapahinga si ako.
Mat.
Gusto mo pala naka-flat form. So we're done our practice for the Miraculum, and now we will eat our late dinner. Ramyun, rice, and cucumber.